Hey everyone, and thanks for jumping back into Routine Station. In this video, we are going to discuss about Cosmos Atom token to see how is the performance and the market situation of this token. It's similar to the other project in the market. Atom is not doing well. Also, in compared to the other project, the performance of the Atom is honestly one of the worst in the market. If we have a look, we can see just recently printed a new low. If we go to the weekly time frame, what we can find, it's printing the bear market low level. Then the performance honestly is not good, but still they are developing. It's pretty close to its COVID low level. And if we have a look on most of the pairs, what we can find here on the Bitcoin, it's printing a new all-time low. If we compare it with like a Solana to see if this one performance is really good. Again, here what we can find is printing a new low. Compare it with other pair like Ethereum or Cardano or whatever you would like to do. You can find Atom performance is not really promising. Atom has a $1.6 billion market cap, and what we can find here about the circulating supply of this crypto, what we can find, it has kind of inflation from the last cycle all-time high. It has about 39.11% inflation. The all-time low was $1.16 back in 2020, and now it's trading at $4. This crypto has 100% of the coin in circulation, but it doesn't have a max supply. You just be aware of this one, and the structure of the price and the structure of the market cap, it's getting closer, but still is not the same. If you have a look on the bull market support band, we can see Atom is trading under its bull market support band like most of the altcoin in the market. And in compared to the 4 years simple moving average, it is in the downtrend, and it's really undervalued with respect to this metric. Then about the short-term bubble risk, what we can find here, Atom, it's about the area of 0.75 to 1, which is the area for the accumulation, and usually it happens after that big bounce in the market like other crypto in the market. About the performance of that Atom, we are in the post-halving year in 2025, and if we go in the last cycle post-halving year, we can find the performance was totally different. Market was really promising in at the day of 125, but now it's underwater. If you have a look about the monthly performance of the Atom, because of the real correlation with the entire of the altcoin and with the other crypto metrics, the performance is not really promising. And what we can find, usually month of May was not an average good month for Atom. It was minus 6.66% down. About the annual performance, is it this asset can save our US dollar value? What I usually do, I use this yearly performance chart, and I have a look on the lowest level. When I have a look on the lowest level, what I can find, the performance was really good until 2023, because what we can find, the lowest level was higher than the previous year. Then in 2024 and 2025, it lost its support at $6.27, and it went to $3.66. Then it cannot save our US dollar value. Okay, now this is the overall situation for the Atom with respect to the all-time high. What we can find here in the drawdown, Atom, it's down minus 90.69% from its all-time high back in 2022, and it needs to 974% recovery. but because of the inflation, we have to remove around 300%, and the upside to the same level of the market cap, it needs to compensate 681%. As you may know, in this channel, we are talking about the tokenomics and economy behind of each crypto project, and most of the project in the market, they have super hyperinflation, and Atom is one of them. If you want to compare with the other, let's say layer zero solution, this kind of concept for interoperability, what we can find Atom, Dot, and Avalanche. In terms of the inflation, still Atom has one of the lowest one, around 39% inflation. For the sake of comparison, Polkadot has approximately 51% inflation from the last cycle, and AVAX has more than 86, around 87% inflation from the last cycle all-time high. But what if Atom can go as high as Polkadot's market cap? With the current situation, Atom can go as high as $15.56, around 285% upside. And with the Dot all-time high, it has a huge potential, $144 per Atom for one token, and it has a 3,482%, which is really huge, and the market cap will be around $56 billion, which is really for this project with a lot of zone and connection is really doable. But unfortunately, because of the lack of utility plus this inflation, it's not able to do it. Then let's compare these three tokens together. What we can find is the percent to the upside for these three tokens, percent to the real all-time high. This is the one thing we have, which I personally here, I would like to consider this one because of the inflation. I deduct the inflation from this calculation. Then Polkadot has a better upside, around 816%. Then Atom around 680%. And then after that is Avalanche with 260% upside. But still, the chart of AVAX is much better than the chart of these two crypto assets. Then what we can find here is this comparison among these three crypto. The green one is Avalanche. The performance is better than these two charts. And from the 1st of what I put here, from the 1st of January 2023 till now, what we can find for these three cryptos, Atom is minus 56% down. Then after that one is a Polkadot with a minus almost 8%, and Avalanche is positive 86%. Then performance of the Avalanche in comparison of among these three is better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this kind of content. If you like it, please consider to subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up to the video, and see you in the next one. Peace out.